All right, guys. All right. All right. Good evening, guys. What's up, dogs? Sorry, guys, about the delay here. What's up? Where's my camera? Here. Okay. Woo! We made it. We made it. We made it. Sorry, I'm late. Sorry, I'm late. I had to run an update on my computer. So sorry for that. So now we are back on. Let me put out a chart here. Let's make sure we get here a new window. Get the chart going on here, and it's gonna allow people to jump in. Sound is good. Sound is good. Perfect. Mike got my back, man. Morning from Australia. Oh, Lauren. Oh, it's the morning. So, man, if you're having a drink with me right now, Lauren, it might be orange juice, right? But you know what? You can maybe pour some vodka. Don't tell anyone. But yeah, I mean, if you're having a drink with me, orange juice or drink or beer or vodka or shots or whatever drink you're having with me, depends on your time zone you're at right now. I'm about to do a cheers with you. So what I want you is to snap a picture, tag my name on it, post it in your story, and I will reshare it. All right. So first thing first, let me welcome any new people here on this Forex Talk over beer episode. So the concept is really simple. We're gonna open up a beer together, and we're gonna have a drink, and we're gonna talk Forex. So very simple. We're gonna talk Forex. Oops, almost smashed my keyboard here. So we're gonna talk Forex. We're gonna go over trades. We're gonna answer questions. So if you have any subject you want to talk about, plus we're gonna give a special prize tonight for anyone attending this Forex talk over a beer. So anyone who wants to win a $100 coupon, we're gonna do it. And the reason why we're gonna do it is because one of the winners can't afford the course. So he's like, hey man, I want to give it back. So I was like, all right, sure, man, I will do it. So yeah, so first thing first, let's crack up the beer. So the pre-show on Instagram was a little longer than usual because I was running an update on my computer, like I said earlier. So that's the reason why I'm late. So on the pre-show, we got our winner for this week. It's called Backorder, and this is a double dry hop New England IPA, and this is 6.2%. So let's try that. Let's crack it up. Here we go. All right. And we also select the glass with it. And yeah, pretty nice, right? Yeah. All right. Let's get it. Sweet. Very nice. All right. Mimosa, yeah, mimosa. Oh, love mimosa. Mimosa is good. Cheers, Karen. Oh, yo, Rages. What's up? All right, so first thing first, let's do that cheers. So we're gonna do that cheers. I'm gonna freeze for 1 second so you're able to take that picture. And yeah, so let's do this. First thing first, cheers, guys. All right, so if you didn't have enough time, just rewind a little bit. Cheers. Oh, not my favorite one. Not my favorite one. Nah. Yeah, I don't know. It's missing a little something here. Yeah, this one is going to be probably a 3.5 on my rating system out of 5. And this is done on Untapped. Untapped's an app for beer. So yeah, not more than 3.5 out of 5 star here. I'm really picky on rating. Yeah, not my favorite one. But that's all good. All right. So now let's focus on our show and have a drink at the same time, right? So cheers, guys, and don't forget, as you come in, don't forget to smash the like button, please. It will be very appreciated. Help people find this channel, and it can help a lot of people at the end, right? So, all right. So now let's talk about trade, baby. Let's talk about GJ and GA. Oh man, I'm almost there, right? Maybe not. All right. So what a great pour that was. 100%. Oh, thanks, man. Thanks, Rages. Hey, cheers, Roman. Cheers, Coley. Cheers, Rages. That was a 225 with that face you made. Yeah, it's. I still got it right here. It's yeah, I don't know. Not my favorite one. Just like last 2 weeks of GJ. Yeah, exactly. All right. So now let's talk about first thing first. Let's talk about trade from yesterday. Trade from yesterday was the six, right? Six. Let's talk about this one. Hey, what's up? Here's woman. So again, if you have any question, forex related or not, I mean it's forex talk over beer. I mean we just chill, talking, having fun, enjoying our night. This is gonna go over like probably like around like 30-40 minute ish. We'll see how it goes. But let's first thing first, let's break down this trade here. That was from yesterday. So this morning was market was super slow. Like lately, I don't know why I still writing this. I should just do copy paste because market is so slow these days. It's just like not even funny. It picks up like around NYSC now. So anyways, this morning market was super slow, except for the GPP news. I had to wait until 9 a.m. candle. So I started to trade at 5:30 and I had to wait until 9 a.m. candle to take my first and only trade of the day. Once I saw a big tail form and start breaking support, once it broke the previous low on H1, I decided to enter one position, accepting what? One position. I'm gonna have to rephrase this. Expecting. Oh, goddamn autocorrection. Hold on. Expecting. Yeah, that makes more sense. The NYSC volume to break the 250 QP. My target was a wick fill on the left. All right, so now let's take a look at this. Let's update this. And this is called Trixie, guys. If you don't know about Trixie, you definitely want to try that. It's the best trading journal out there. Oops. Let's do Control Z. All right. All right. So as you see, if you look at H1 right now, I mean, you see that price was making higher lows, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. So we're look at the trend, at the downtrend on the lower time frame on H1, right? So I mean, it made sense to look for sells at this point. The only thing we're not sure when price came here, if we respected this price, would have what we would have had would be a double bottom, right? But we didn't do that. We actually broke the support. So once we broke the support, that's where I said, all right, so if we broke the support now, we're going to go form a lower low. So exactly what happened here. So I use a fixed 15 pips stop loss because I was not expecting price to come back over in this area. So that's why. And when we broke this low, I was like, all right, let's go. We got NYSC volume coming in. Auto break even got hit pretty fast. And after that, we had this wick fill here on the left. This was my target. 15 pips got hit right here. Closed 90% of my trade. Closed another 50% when we hit that major QP. Because major QP man can hold for a while. So I was like, let me close 50%. And the last runner was closed full when we got this wick fill. So I put my full TP just a little bit above that wick fill, right? And that's it. So that was impulse entry. Like it was a dogtail setup basically. Yeah, dogtail setup on this. Hey, cheers, guys. Do you smoke shisha in your hookah or something else? Shisha. Sometimes add something else in it. But I will not do the other stuff only. I can't. It's just I can't. So I'm gonna put shisha, and sometimes I'm gonna spice it up a little bit, some spice. But most of the time it's just shisha. All right, so don't forget to smash that like button, guys, as you come in. I mean, we got 11 likes, we got 20-ish people, so make sure you smash that like button, please. All right, cheers, guys. Okay, there's something running in the background. Okay, that's why. Okay, so now let's see questions here. Question about that trade before we move on to the next trade. It was a very good one. Everyone was thinking that it's very risky to sell at support, but based on my backtesting, it's the time when you make money on the market. Yeah, I mean, that's why I didn't go full 3% risk on that one. You know, I lowered my risk. If I remember correctly, yeah, I took a 1% trade on this. So, and yeah, it was pretty good. Actually ended up a little bit more than 1%, yeah, because that runner ran pretty good. So yeah. So yeah, that was a nice trade here. So now let's take a look at today. And I didn't journal today yet, but I'm definitely gonna do it. So let's talk about GA. So first of all, let's talk about GA because I'm not gonna hide. You know, I'm not gonna hide. Had two small losses on GA. Okay, so I had two small losses on GA, and I'm not gonna hide. I'm gonna show you exactly. I'm not one of those guys who only show winners and hide behind their losses, right? So I'm always I'm always straight up with everyone, especially with my students. I'm always straightforward with my students. Actually, after I close the Zoom, oh yeah, I'm gonna tell that after. But anyways, I ended up like answering GJ after the Zoom, and I was like, oh shit, it was so tempting. It was so nice, you know, when it retraced and gave me a second chance to enter. I was like, oh okay. So yeah, I had to come and clean and told them that I didn't respect my plan and I actually did it. But we'll talk about that just after this. Um, wow, this is actually pretty nice here. This double top right here. Oh, okay. I wish market was still open. Okay, so now let's talk about this. What time was it here? Dos, tres, cuatros. There's some really good music in the background right now. You guys can't hear because I put a filter on my mic, so technically you should not hear background noise. All right, so let's talk about this here. 37. Uh, 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 Hold on, wait a second. I almost can't remember. Hold on, let me check my MT4 here. Oh, alert just hit. Alert on Doge. Oh. Wait a second. I got an alert on Doge 11 minutes ago. Oh, full TP hit on Doge. Yeah, this was my buy here on Doge. Wait, where is it? That yellow line is somewhere. Oh, there we go. So that yellow line is here. So that was my buy here at 27 cents. And full TP just hit, but I didn't close anything. I'm still holding. That was my target. And yeah. God damn. Yeah, so I bought for 1,000 over there. So I don't know how much it's worth now, but I'm gonna have to go check on Binance. Uh God damn, Doge to the moon, baby. Let's go. Boy. Okay, this is pretty exciting. Sorry, I got distracted, guys. Yeah, this is me being distracted. Okay, so let's focus. Let's Sasha, focus. Focus. Okay, so let me check my MT4. Because to be honest, like I don't even remember now. All right, so entry was this was a sell. The first one was a sell. That was an 8. Okay, so let's take a look here. So 8 o'clock. Boom, boom, boom. 8 o'clock. Let's take a look. The first one was a sell. I said, oh yeah, so dumb. It actually went my way after. Yeah, yeah, that was just before an FP. So I was trying to snap an entry, you know, before an FP to be in the trade before an FP. So one of my mistake, well, I cannot say a mistake, but something I will be keeping in mind next time for NFP, it's having a little bigger stop just in case it wicks up, right? So basically on H1, if you look on H1, 8 o'clock, no, it was on 30 minutes. So what I did is actually took a sell at 78,795. 8 78 798 8. Okay, so right here. So basically this when this what time was that? 8:04. So that means that's it on the next skin. Oh yeah, okay. Perfect. Now I remember correctly. Okay. So stop was somewhere around here. Yeah, okay, perfect. So now, okay, let's break this down. So price made a high, came down, but don't forget, if you small this thing down, we are forming higher lows, lower lows, you know, so we're trending down. Okay, so we established that. Okay, fine. So now this candle has a nice wick rejection. Let's put it bigger here. There's some really good music in the background. Okay, so this candle closed doji. So for me, it's kind of a write-off candle. It's also a break and retest, you know. So I mean, we can continue down. So what I did is this candle for me was a write-off. So if it's a write-off, it's like if it's not there. So I will wait for next candle to wake up, and when we break this low here on this candle, I'm gonna enter, and that's exactly what I did. Placed my stop above this candle right here. That was like a 10-ish, 10-ish, 10 pip-ish stop loss. Next time I will use a 15 stop loss, you know, in NFP just to make sure I have room. Because what happened next is this candle wick up and actually exited at minus. I closed 50% at minus 6 pips, if I remember correctly, and the rest minus 9 pips, if I'm not wrong. I'm gonna have to check that. But yeah, so reduce my risk. But anyways, even if I didn't close manually, it would have be I would have been taken out anyways. And after that price, boom, straight my way. It is what it is. So the good thing is I'm pretty happy. The analysis was right. I was right about the right direction. I was right about the trade. I guess I just need to work on this about NFP. So you know, it is what it is. Cheers. Yeah, that beer. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a 3.25 out of 5 now. Okay, this is no good. Okay, so that was the first attempt. Okay, so let's delete that. So any question about that? Let's see. Um, let's see here. Special something for the woman today with Mother's Day this weekend. There's Mr. Sasha. Let's go. Yes, it's gonna be something special for women. I'm gonna announce that in a couple minutes. Um, that was okay. Okay. Oh, that was a previous comment. Sorry. Karen, cheers. Do you okay? Answer that. Answer that. Doge will be 1,000, dude. If Doge is $1,000, damn. I'm Roman. I'm gonna fly you from Russia. Okay. If I was, you'll be loved and some. Okay. No, the entire investment, just some. Okay, Roman, do you trade something? Okay, you guys talking. Okay, perfect. I think this first time I ever seen Sasha dislike a beer like he does this one. Yeah, yeah. I guess this one was. I don't know. Um, yeah, I'm gonna have to make sure my next one is good because I'm gonna be very disappointed about my Friday. By the way, if you like beers, you can follow me on the app Untapped. All right, so now let's talk about the second attempt here. And after that, we're going to jump into the GJ trade. Oops. What? Are you sure you wish to remove Samsung tree? No. What am I talking? Okay, so let's remove all this. So second attempt was at... Second attempt... Did I took a second attempt? I can't remember. Where was that? Oh yeah, right here. Okay. Yeah, I closed 50% in profit, in 1 pip profit, and the rest I got closed at minus 8 pips, if I do the math right. Okay, so the entry was... Oh yeah, because I thought we would be correcting this. Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah, that one I shouldn't do it. That one was dumb. But I really thought that we would be correcting this move. Actually, I shouldn't say that. Actually, this it just didn't play out. It's NFP candle. It's tricky, you know. And I really thought that we'd be correcting this move. But let's see here. The entry was at 78. 547. 78.54 right here. Oh yeah, on the break of this high. Yes. Okay. Right here on the break of the high right here. Stop was used a 15 pip stop loss fix right here. And yeah, I was aiming 50 pips basically. And yeah, so basically price went to, I don't know, 9 pips profit. So that's why when price came back to N3, I closed 50% at 1 pip profit, and I closed the rest once we broke this body candle. So that's it. And I was like, all right, this is no good. This is invalid. So this is how I manage my risk. So pretty simple. I don't think we need to more explanation on this. But if you have any question about that, feel free to ask. All right, let's move on to GJ because I want to do the draw after that because we ran late today. So all right, so man, what a trade on GJ. All right, so let's see. Let's see comment here. Don't forget to smash the like button, guys. We got 30 people on. Make sure we got 15 likes. We should get, man. I'm about to give away $100 coupon in just a couple minutes, and I'm also gonna announce a special draw for women and mothers in just a few minutes. So make sure you smash the like button, guys. And it just doesn't doesn't only help me, it actually help people finding this channel, and it's gonna help them also. So yeah, thank you very much for smashing that like button, guys. It's very appreciated. And if you're watching the replay, man, smash that like button also. All right, because I know there's a lot of people who's gonna be watching that replay. I mean, because right now we have like 30-ish people, but now Forex Talk Over Beer. You know what's funny? Forex Talk Over Beer, I started that randomly on IG. I had like 5 people online, 5, and I kept on going, and like 10 and 15 and 20, and now starting on YouTube, and I had to start back again. So now we have like what, 30, but sometimes we have like 50, 60 people on. But on the overall, I mean, we got like 400 views, on Forex Talk Over Beer, which is pretty good because, it's not a live session. It's just a random show I decided to do. Our live session hits like 10K viewers, like 4K viewers, 2K viewers. But this is a new concept I'm trying to bring. And I would love this concept to take off and get more views, of course, because I think this is fun, this is just, chill. Cheers, guys. Don't forget, if you're having a beer with me right now or drink, whatever drink you're having, snap that picture, post it on the Instagram, tag my name on it, and I will reshare it. All right, so now let's talk about this trade. So we had this NYSC candle. So the NYSC candle came in and boom, melt, right? Melt right here, rejected this QP right there. And if you look left, what happened? Last time we had a wick here that tapped this QP, what happened? Bam! Got rejected hard, made very hard. So I was like, all right, I told my students, because I was already like 2 small losses, right? So I was like, nah, I'm not looking into another trade, but let's analyze this. So I told them it would make sense if price reject this, and if you look left, what happened before, it would make sense that we push back up. And now if you look right, more precisely, if you look at this, now we form support at a previous support. We close engulfing candle above this QP, this 500 QP. And yeah, it would make sense for price to push up now. So, I mean, yeah, so most of the students got their entry right at the opening of the candle, place stop under the previous candle, or use a 15 pips stop loss. So basically the entry that we called live with our students was kind of, why my mouse is laggy, kind of right here. So 15 pips stop loss here was kind of right here if you use a fixed 15 pip stop loss. and this thing shoot up, and and it's just hit partial TP in almost no time. I mean, the next candle actually, actually, it's not true. It's not no time. He actually played with us for a while because I mean, it went down. Yeah, this is exactly, yeah. It wasn't an easy trade because most of the people, when they see a candle coming back down, and in drawdown they're gonna be closing 50% or closing 75%. And I told my people, I was like, hey guys, it's okay, it's normal to be in a drawdown. Just believe in your analysis and in yourself, and if we still respect this QP, we should be fine. And you know what, price came back up, closed a small bullish doji candle. So for me, this is a write-off candle. All right, so let's wait for the next candle. If the next candle close against us, yes, let's close. So what happened on the next candle? Price went up, down, and that this moment I said, all right, let me close the stream because I mean I need to go work. And I did something with my dog, came back, look at the screen. Price was playing like around here. I can't remember where it was exactly. And I was like, you know what? Let me snap an entry, a small 1% entry right here because it makes sense. It's giving me the opportunity to grab that move also. So yeah, fuck it, let's do it. So I didn't respect my game plan. Usually after 2 losses, I'm out. So yeah, I am guilty. So in front of all of you guys, I say I am guilty. And I'm not. I will not hide, and I will say it loud. So I pled guilty. I didn't respect my game plan. But yeah, it's not something you should do. It's not something I should do. Also, it is what it is. It just happened on the moment, and yeah, if it would have happened being a loss, the only person I can slap in the face, it's myself. Just like for being dumb and not respecting my game plan. But thankfully, this winner, I mean, destroyed my two small losses because it went to 15 pips profit pretty quick. I thought we had someone at the door. Sorry, guys. And after that runner went to 52.6 pips. That's where I closed because I don't want to hold the trade during the weekend. And this is actually cool that I closed it because it went straight back down. I closed it right around here on this candle, or if I remember correctly, or here. Yeah, no, it was 3 p.m. Yeah, it was here on this candle when it wake up. I was at 52.6 pips. I posted a picture on Instagram. So yeah, this is where I exited. So this was the trade, man. Yeah, rule breaking again. Gonna have to update the academy database. Yeah, you're right, Mike, man. Gee. Yeah, so like, I mean, we're human. So anyone that tells you that they always following their rules and they always buy the book, are they angel? Are they God? Are they, it's just like, I don't know, man. But most of the time, I do respect my rules. I mean, like, I would say like 95% of the time. But there are sometimes, yeah, I went over my rules, and I guess I mean, we're human. What you want me to say? Just like, yeah. So guilty. All right. So I think that was a pretty solid trade. Congrats to all our dogs who grabbed that move. Cheers to that, guys. Cheers to you. A freaking happy Friday. All right. So let's see comments here and questions. Before we do the draw, guys, get ready. We're gonna do the draw now for anyone live right now. So if you want to be in the draw, so I'm gonna go read the comments. So during that moment, if you want to be in that draw, just fire emoji. All right, just put a fire emoji, or if you're not able to do a fire emoji, just write fire. If you're able to afford the course and you want $100 coupon, just fire emoji. I mean, you got a lot of chance to win right now. I mean, we got only 30 people watching. So you have a big chance to win a $100 coupon for the full access to the mentorship program and the course. So make sure you fire emoji or write the word fire if you're not able to do an emoji. So let me go over questions here in comments. I think this is the first time I ever seen Sasha dislike. Oh, okay, I read that. Okay, sorry. Otherwise, I took a screenshot. Oh, I took a screenshot of Sasha's face. Oh man. God damn. Uh, Karen, don't do that to me. All right. So, Lewis, how to analyze NFP with GBP pair? I mean, to be honest, I mean, you should avoid trading NFP. You know, you should avoid trading NFP. NFP can be crazy. And most of the time, anyways, the move gets corrected. So what I do most of the time, this is the first time. This was actually the first time I actually took a trade before an FP. Usually, I always wait for the move, and I wait for the correction because I would say like being watching NFP for a couple of years now, most of the time the move will be corrected, maybe not in full but a portion of it. And you know what, today it got fully corrected. And if you look at the bigger picture, let me show you something. So if you look at the bigger picture, let's take a look at 1 hour. So if you look at 1 hour, we were basically trending up, right? And this moved down, boom, right here, and got rejected, right? So yeah, I mean, most of the time it will get corrected. So always look at the bigger picture. Um, but yeah, if you want to backtest it, just go back like every first Friday of the month for the past year and look at how price move. You know, but the best way to trade it is actually to close your MT4 if you want to avoid losses. You know, this is the best way to do it. Uh, what else? You just don't need to analyze it. Skip that. Yeah, exactly. It's very hard to trade, to be honest. You know, it's crazy. You know, NFP is crazy. Um, I mean, this is actually the first time in 3 years I think I take a trade before NFP. Uh, what about gold? What about it? Yeah, we called it buy on gold with students. Look right here. So that was my buy called on gold right here on this. I was looking for buy above 1825, so put a buy stop. Put a buy stop right here at 1825. This was a paper trade because I don't trade gold, right? But this is something I called for our student. One or two of our, I think one student for sure, Simon, I think took it. And yeah, he went to profit, you know, so it was pretty good. This was something I was looking for this morning, looking for buy above 1825 or sells under 1813. So that was the buy call with students live this morning. Um. Oh, wait a second. I just scrolled down the chat very fast and I saw all those fire emoji. So don't forget, if you want to enter the draw for the coupon of $100 for the course and the full mentorship program, fire emoji, write the word fire. Okay, I'm about to do that right now. It's bigger than to trade. Okay, holding on to a losing trade. Hold on, wait a second. Holding on to a losing trade. No. You don't want to hold on to a losing trade. You want to hold down into a drawdown, which is normal. You know, I mean, because if you understand how candle prints, you understand that most of the time, the first half of that candle will go against you. So it will be in a drawdown. And you do the next half will go your way. So you should backtest that. You'll see that rages. Um, um, All right, you guys talking to each other. That's perfect. Okay. Bob Layan, we forgot you. Oh, thank you, Bob. Thank you. It's a good trade for me then. Yeah. Rules breaking again. Okay. I learned my lesson the hard way, holding trades over the weekend, so I no longer do it. Yeah, me. I never do it. The only way I did it, the only time I did it, I think it was on my funding time challenge account, which what's the longest y'all ever held a trade for? I should say the longest, probably 2 days, 3 days, I think. That's it. We both throw ourselves under the buses. So you being transparent is perfect, and people respect you. You move for it. Oh, thanks, Mike. Yeah. And for me, it's all about transparency. I mean, especially with my students, especially with my students, it's just like, man, I can't, yeah, I have to come clean with my students. This is because I'm expecting them to be transparent with me. So if I'm expecting that, I need to be that, right? Because leaders lead by example. So this is very example. This is very important for me. Um, all right, so now let's get it. All right, so now we're at the fire emoji. Okay, so now let's pull up this wheel. All right, so let's delete all those names. All right, so you guys ready? Let's start. So we're about to draw a $100 coupon for the full access and the mentorship program. Karen, just gonna Karen. We got Clash of Clan. Well, so house, house, you rest. Okay. Karen Knox once, twice. Okay. No, we're only gonna put one. Thomas said, "Oh, Thomas, you're already in the course, no?" Yeah, this is only for new students. All right. So Thomas already in. Kevin's in. Rages. All right. Give me 1 sec. Sorry, guys. So I got my old part here, Zena, who wants to be with you. She was scratching my. I thought she was hungry, so she not hungry. Yeah, hungry. I asked my wife to feed them, but they already ate. So I guess she just wanted to be here for the draw, right? Right, dog? Yeah. So this is Zena. This is my oldest. This is my pug jack. So nice to meet you guys. Nice to meet you. So all right. So let's do this. So sit here. Así. Así. Look, right there. Así. Going fee. So, all right. So let's move on. All right. So rages here. So next one is Bub. So we're just gonna write Bub. Carlos. Oops. Carlos. Marin. All right. So next one we got Vinny Roberts. And why am I writing this? Saturday or Sunday. I'm gonna post something for women, by the way. This is a special thing that we had a discussion, and I don't know, we kind of not brainstorming, but the idea came from, I can't remember where and how, but basically I'm gonna draw also a coupon of one. Actually, this one's gonna be 150. Because I really want to get a new woman in our group. We only have one woman, so this draw is gonna be strictly for women. So it's gonna be a $150 coupon for woman. This is a special day on Sunday. This is Mother's Day, so it can be a mother, it can be just a woman. That's fine, and we're gonna do that draw because we need more woman traders, right? So we want to encourage that. So yeah. So all right. So Vinny Roberts, okay. Coley T. Coley T. All right. Nick S is already in. Carlos. Carlos already in. Who else? Who else? We got Vinny already in. All right. Here we got DI. DI. This. All right. Next one. So next one we got Susan. All right, Susan. Right. Actually, I cannot do 150 on the platform. Yeah, they will not allow me to do 150. It has to be round numbers. Okay, so anyway, it's gonna be either 100 or 150. I'm gonna try to find a way. Um, Sasha, how you cut your drawdown? How to cut my drawdown? I don't know. What do you feel that time? I'm not sure I'm getting the question, Roman. Hey, cheers, guys. Hi, are you still trading with Funding Cancer? Oh, no, no, no. I was not trading with Funding Town for a while. I decided recently to take it because I had some money for referrals, and I didn't want to receive incomes for tax purposes, so I asked them to convert those referrals into a trading account, a challenge account. Sorry, and I was testing a setup, and it actually didn't work. So it is what it is. Karen is good. Okay, we got Abdul, Sodaduan. All right. So dog is. I don't know if you can. Now she's didn't know. All right. So next one. We got. Do not put in. No. Okay. No problem. How much you make easily? How much you make easily? Not sure with trading. Oh, like this week I did like 5-ish%. Actually, more than that now. With this trade, I'm gonna have to redo the math, but probably close to 7% this week. Six point something percent, I guess, this week. Um, all right, that dog is my lucky charm. Here we go. Here we go. All right, so we got Turkey, G, Fire. We got trading, 6x. All right, so we're just about to do this. I'll enter the woman draw also. Yeah, do we have Lauren already? Oh, Lauren, I guess. So Lauren, female draw. Yeah, I'm gonna post something about that on IG for the woman draw. Oh, Elisa is our only. Elisa's on the chat right now. So cheers, Elisa. Elisa is my our only woman here. So she says, "Where are my ladies at?" All right. Um. So let's see. Get 200 for Mother's Day. Yeah. Okay, we'll see. I guess I didn't like the multiple idea. Okay. The multiplier ideas. What was that again? I can't remember. You starting to know me, and my memory is just like I don't know. All right, so this is it. All right, so last I'm gonna. This is 6:54. At 6:55, we're closing this. So last time, if you want to enter that draw for $100 coupon, fire emoji right now, or write the word fire if you can, if you want to be in that draw. Cheers, guys. All right, so if it lands on a student, it should act like a price multiplier. Oh, that's actually funny. Yeah, that would be funny. All right, so Yogi, you're just borderline, so that's good. So Yogi Soul. All right, and now it's done. All right, you guys are ready or what? All right, so let's shuffle this thing up. 1, 2, 3. Oh. All right, let's spin it. Let's go. Woo! All right. So how's Eurist? So congrats, buddy. Congrats. So send me a DM on Instagram, and I will send you your coupon. Did I remove him? Oh, you know what? It's Friday. Had a great day. I'm that kind of guy. Fuck it. Let's do another one. You guys want another one? And that's the last one. I swear. Should we do another one? Man, you better share those story on Instagram. Man, if I do another one, you guys all promise me to share this on Instagram, right? Mike knows me pretty well. There never is one draw, especially that I pre-drink before, so I'm feeling more, Let's. It's actually Zena. Zena told me, he's like, "Hey, Dad, you should do an extra one. You know, what do you think, girl? What do you think? What do you think, girl? Should we do an extra one? Should we do? Should we do an extra one? All right, so guys, you promised me. All right, so if we do an extra one, I want to see some share on Instagram, right? All right, so Sasha can never do one draw and chill out. He always gets hype and so another. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you guys start to know me, right? Cheers. All right. So Mary. Okay, so you know what? We do a second one. We're gonna enter Mary here. So last chance to enter that draw. Yeah, remove the guy's name. Did I remove that? I think I removed it. Uh, yes, I did remove them. Perfect. All right, so let's shuffle up. One, two, three. All right, so let's go. Spin that wheel, baby. And this is the last draw. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, Vinny Roberts. Congrats. 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 Congrats to Vinny Roberts. All right. All right. Congrats to all. Congrats to those two winners. What do you say, girl? She just want to sleep. She's like, man, leave me alone. I'm getting old. I want to sleep. She's actually snoring in my ears right now. I think you'd be snoring. All right, so congrats all. So again, Karen is getting so close of winning, but this weekend, Sunday, we're gonna draw a winner for woman only. For Mother's Day, so make sure you check my story. I'm gonna post something this weekend. So Sasha, I message you from my Insta, Alpha416. Wait a second. But it's not you who won. Trading Sys X. Well, but that's so that means that you enter on two names because I had trading Sys 6IX and this is house. I can't remember house. Where was it? Hold on, wait a second. Take a picture. House. Where was it? House Urest that actually won. So if it's the case, man, we're gonna have to redraw that because it isn't fair. Um. All right. So, anyways, so we'll fix that, and we'll if I find that it was two entry on the same name, we're gonna redraw that next weekend. Next week, I guess. Uh, All right, we're trying to sell this out. All right, so no, the female draw is on Sunday, I think. Yes, the female draw is on Sunday. Correct. Yes. Karen, no worries, but I was saying you removed the first guy who won. Yes, exactly, exactly. All right, guys. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share on Instagram. Thank you very much. And I'll see you Sunday for a special draw for Mother's Day. I'm gonna try. And again, share the information to every trading woman, any woman that trades, and let's get more women into this industry, right? So. Sasha, I sent a message for you at email when you find time. Answer, please. Thanks, Tom. Yeah, maybe just send me, maybe if it's a while back, just send me another message or a reminder. Because sometimes I get so many DMs. Maybe I just click it by mistake and I saw it, but I didn't really read it. So, yeah, just send me a message. All right, so thank you very much for watching, guys. Thank you. And I'll see you soon. Take care. Well, let's finish this. Let's hit full TP. Full TP8. Good weekend, guys.